Good afternoon and welcome to a QR360Au flight over Myuna Bay, New South Wales. As opposed to putting a bit of music over these panoramas, I like to share a bit of information. Today I've selected Myuna Bay and it has a population of 11 as of the 2016 census, and its postcode is 2264. It is located 8 kilometres northeast of Morisset in the western shores of the city of Lake Macquarie. The parish it falls under is Awabba, and surrounding suburbs include not just Awabba but Arcadia Vale, Wangi, which you'll see in a moment, Lake Macquarie, which you can see now, and Araring. Myuna Bay is largely undeveloped. It has a rest area located on Wangi Road, dating back to when Wangi Road was the main road along the western shoreline of Lake Macquarie, before the completion of the Sydney to Newcastle Freeway. Myuna Bay is home to the New South Wales Government Myuna Bay Sport and Recreation Centre. Araring Power Station is a coal-fired electricity power station with 4 720 megawatt Toshiba steam-driven turbo alternators for a combined capacity of 2,880 megawatts. The station is located near the township of Dora Creek on the western shores of Lake Macquarie, New South Wales, and is owned and operated by Orion Energy. It is Australia's largest power station. Myuna Bay Sport and Recreation Centre is located 90 minutes north of Sydney and 30 minutes south of Newcastle. It provides a range of services, facilities and accommodation options for school camps, family camps, kids camps, sports events, corporate training and seniors' weekend escapes. It also has a range of community programs. With a natural bushland setting on the western shores of Lake Macquarie, Myuna Sport and Recreation Centre is idyllic and a source of much water-based fun. On the early maps of Lake Macquarie, the place name was actually called Pantaloon Bay. Myuna is actually an Aboriginal word meaning clear water. The source for this is the Awabakal word finder by J. Maynard. Whitehead's Lagoon is in Myuna Bay, and it is named after a Frenchman who came to the area with his 3 nephews and tried to grow grapes there. The Myuna Colliery, owned by Centennial Coal, opened in 1981 to supply coal to the Araring Power Station. And just in closing, some facts with regards to Lake Macquarie shoreline, which is featured here. There's 174 kilometres of shoreline, or 108.1 miles. Lake Macquarie has a surface area of 110 kilometres square and a catchment area of just over 600 kilometres at 604.4 kilometres square. Lake Macquarie's average depth is about 8 metres and its maximum depth is 15 metres. The western shores of Lake Macquarie has very shallow lagoons, Myuna Bay being one of those. If you have some suggestions for future videos, please comment below or email. Thank you.